Hello. So lots of work to do today. Got the wheels back from We Koat It. They're looking pretty sick. I mean, he tried to, yeah, he got it like pretty close. They actually look a lot better than these ones. Those are kind of a candy. But yeah, so taking these off, putting these on with the new sprocket, new chain. Got the rotor cover, grips. This one, yeah, came out a little more maroon. I guess it matches. Heatsink cover for the BAC 4000. So a lot of work to get done today so I can go out and ride with the group tomorrow in downtown Houston. So gotta get this shit done. I'm gonna take this this thing back off because it's ugly. So first things first is to take that off. I'm gonna get this put on first. Then I'm going to put the stock wheels back on. Got the Shinko 241s installed here and the rims done. Looks very nice. Oh, I thought it was a scratch, but it's just a reflection. Okay. I'm not sure how many videos I'm gonna put out, but I'll just make a shitload. I'll just record the whole thing, everything I do here, and then however many videos is however many videos. So these ones are these two, I believe. These two, and then all of these here. Alrighty. And I'm going to be dropping these, I'm gonna clean them up and then drop these wheels with the tires off at We Koat It. He's gonna sell it for me there. And then I just want store credit, shop credit. Hopefully he'll give me that. I don't see why he wouldn't. And then I'm gonna get a new bash plate, like a nicer one. Have it powder coated the same color too. And then he's got a better rear shock he's selling over there, so I'll probably have that done as well. So once I get that rear shock done, get the bash plate on, probably change these up with some more like better ones, because these tend to break. Then I'm probably going to be done with the upgrades. That's why I say I'll probably end up getting the motor too, the KO motor eventually, and upgrade to the BAC 8000 to the 4000. Then that's it, unless I get the Fox forks or something. Okay, so this is staying off because it looks just so much better without it. And where is that black piece? I thought I had it up here. All right, there we go. Okay. So now before we tighten anything up, we have to put the clips on, 3 on each side. Now that everything's on, we can start tightening. We'll do these first. Okay. Oh, that's that. So she's on. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, looks good. Alright guys, well, that'll do it for this first video here. Please like and subscribe. Do me a favor, it helps my channel. And I'll see you in the next one when we put these wheels on. Alright, check you later.